After weeks upon weeks of intense celebration, Thomas and Vector were back from vacation. But look, who is this, chuffing with them down the rails? Why, it's Clarabelle and Annie. See, we do read all your mail.
Bust my buffers, it's great to be back, carrying top-secret cargo down the railroad track.
Top secret cargo? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Who knows? I've hauled a lot of freight cars, and I've battled cranes in space, but I've never picked up cargo from a military base.
Thomas and Vector, you know I'd hate to bore you, but there's something big and fast outside that's headed straight toward you.
What you talking about, Traveltron?
Cinders and ashes, it's Birdie!
You don't know what you're carrying. I'd say we both agree, but never fear, 'cause Bertie's here to set the lady free.
Yeah, so he's not stopping!
Everybody brace for impact!
Too long I have hidden in the dark, awaiting my return. But with Diesel 10 defeated, I will see the whole world burn!
Vector, can you hear me? I'm afraid we've just been stranded. The tunnel's crashed and broken. The whole team has been disbanded.
Not the whole team.
We've got to think of something. We have to save the world.
I got a great idea. It's time to call the girls.
Now's the time for magic, for darkness and for strife. Now's the time to bring my evil master back to life! No!
I may not be number one, but you are so in trouble, 'cause Rosie and her friends are here to burst your magic bubble.
Toot toot, suckers!
Let's go. I'm afraid you've come too late, girls. The conjuring is complete. Now allow me, if you will, to say, you'll make us crazy.
You were saying?
Oh, snap!
Be sure to watch your back. She's bad news without a doubt. We need to bring the pain and rain and wash that spider out.
Not today, ladies.
The reactor core is draining fast. Quickly, we have to shake her off.
Vector! She's siphoning her power!
I may be a scary spider, and my methods may be shady, but now you know whether friend or foe, you never hit a lady?
No more rhymes.
I'm Thomas Prime, you're back!
Of course I'm back. Everybody knows I'm number one. What the?
over, Thomas and friends.
Yo, let's go. Let's go.
If you have a road problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a switch ain't one.
Hit me. Yo, hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
Yo.
Hit me.
If you having road problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a switch ain't one.